Alan from FEM, Corporate Development Chef. Today we're looking at the Hamilton Beach Commercial Eclipse 755 drinks blender. So the features and benefits on the Hamilton Beach Commercial Eclipse 755. 3 years parts and labour warranty, which is about as good as it gets in the marketplace. We're looking at a lifetime guarantee on the motor blade and the drive coupling. We've also got the quiet shield. Again, when we lift up, the noise reduction, so there's no noise when you're blending. We're looking at the jars and the polycarbonate jug, which is shatterproof, so if the guys drop it, it's not going to break. So also on the Hamilton Beach, if you look at the jug and on the blades, it's what we call a wave actions, patented to Hamilton Beach, which means that it drags all the content down into the middle and not going around the outsides like normal blenders. So in the world of high performance blenders, the Hamilton Beach Commercial Eclipse 755 works with a 3 horsepower motor, which is giving us very, very high power for the blend. The Hamilton Beach Commercial Drinks Blender, the Eclipse 755, as you can see by the screen, very easy to use. We've got 5 preset programs that will fit in with your drinks profiles. We've got the pulse button that you can press and pulse at a percentage. You can find all these things when you actually access the menu. It can even tell you if the machine's going to overheat. It's got the temperature gauges. You can change the time, the dates. You can put in languages. Let's make a drink. Let's make a super power berry smoothie. We've got cranberry juice, mixed berries, sorbet, lime, mint, and of course ice. Okay, let's go in with the cranberry juice. In goes the fruit and berries, all that power stuff, in they go. In goes the sorbet, that can go in, mint goes in, lime juice, plenty, make it nice and zesty, and in goes the ice. Lid on. Onto the Eclipse, close the quiet shield. I'm going to go with program number 2, which fits this profile for this super berry drink. Okay, now we've finished. The drink is now finished, the super berry smoothie, and you'll notice there's no chunks of ice. All the fruit has gone down into my nice little martini glass. A very smooth, vibrant, gotta be almost make you live forever type of drink. In terms of hygiene and cleaning down the Hamilton Beach Commercial 755 Eclipse, it's very easy. So basically we take off and remove the shields, we can take out the jugs, everything lifts off, everything can be removed, the mat can be removed, wiped over with a wet sponge, put back together again, sanitized, ready to play. So overall, in the high performance drinks blender market, the Hamilton Beach Commercial Eclipse 755 perfectly meets the needs of all high volume operators.